Hi guys, Mark here. Well, today we're going to be taking a look at the small but perfectly formed iSCOOTER U1 mini electric bike. Stay tuned. Just take a little look round this iSCOOTER U1 and just run through all the specifications. Then we'll take it for a little test ride down to Poole Harbour down here in the south of England. So just check the price on the website this morning. Currently these are £339, which is an absolute bargain. I'll put the link in the description for you. As always with all these e-bikes, it came very well boxed, very easy to put together. Nut and bolt check, pump the tyres up, and then you're good to go. So this is all UK legal, comes locked to 15.5 miles an hour, 250 watts rear drive motor there. There's your compliance sticker just there. Can be unlocked to about 18 miles an hour. Comes with a 36 volt 7.8 amp hour battery, which is in the frame here. So the battery isn't sort of removable on a daily basis. It could be removed if you needed to replace it, removing these screws I presume and sliding it out, but on a daily basis it's not removable, but you charge it there on the little port there. Takes about 8 hours to charge. Comes all your tools, charger. Range on this is going to be between about 20 and 30 miles, depending on how you ride it and what assist level you use it on. It's absolutely ideal for city commuting. You can put it in the back of your car, in your motorhome, caravan, that sort of thing. So single speed on this. Does have rear suspension, which is nice. Very comfortable seat. Cable operated disc brakes, which is what you'd expect on a little bike of this price, but they work absolutely fine. LED lights built into the front and rear, which you turn on by holding the plus button. So obviously small little wheels on this, 14 times 1.95 tyres, but it's surprisingly good fun. This is one of the better ones that I've tried. Really good fun for a little small mini bike. So it does have folding bars. You basically undo that locking mechanism there, and then the bars just simply fold like that, just to make it a little bit easier to put in the boot of your car or whatever. So it's a tiny little bike, this, ideal for a huge range of riders. It's saying 5 foot tall to well over 6 foot. So anyway, I'll just sit on the bike for you. You can just check me out on it. As a reference, I'm 5'7" tall, 170 centimeters with a 30-inch inside leg. Then you can compare that for yourself then. So I'm 5'7" tall, and this little bike fits me fine. Nice little bars. It feels extremely light. Comfortable seat, rear suspension. So if you were a lot shorter than me, say you were 5 foot tall, this seat goes down about another 6 inches yet, so it would fit you fine. And if you were well over 6 foot, you still get on all right with this. But it feels very comfortable, little bars, nice and small and compact, so absolutely ideal. It's weighing in at 23 kilos. I can pick it up quite easily, so easy to put into the back of your car. Does also come in black, but I really do like the white. It looks really nice. Comes with the nice grips for your palms. Really nice, easy to read LCD display there, showing you all your power assist levels, odometer, speed, little bell. Does come with a throttle in the box, up to you whether you fit that or not. But looking around the bike, you know, for the money, it's absolutely fantastic. You know, these little mini bikes are great fun. They're very convenient. They zip along nicely. So there you go, guys. We'll go for a test ride now. Okay, we're just down here at Poole Harbour. Really calm this morning. Sun's just coming up. It's lovely down here. So we've got the lovely little iSCOOTER U1. So it's got a little convenient side stand. So switch it on by holding the M button. Defaults to no assist, so we'll just start off in assist level 1. It does have a walk mode where you hold the minus button, and it kind of just takes you along up hills if you need to. So anyway, let's try this out. So a cadence sensor, the power comes in a couple of turns. So assist level 1, got about 8 miles an hour. Assist level 2 now, that's better. That's nice, about 12 miles an hour. 13, that's really sweet. Assist level 3, maximum assist. That's 16 miles an hour. So that's really nice. So let's take it down to assist level 2. Let's try these brakes out. Oh, they're quite strong. Just basic cable brakes, but they work okay for a little bike. But this thing, the main thing with this U1 is it's just so much fun. I mean, for £330 at the moment, it's an absolute bargain. It's so much fun. It's so nippy. It's convenient. You can put it in the back of your car, whip down the shops on it. It's just fun. It really is. It's a lovely little one to ride, and it feels well put together. There's no squeaks or rattles. Listen, it's just so quiet and smooth to ride. It's just great fun. It may be small, but I'm 5'7", but it fits me nicely. The bars are a nice width. The seat's comfortable. It does have rear suspension, which gives it a smooth ride. It's good up hills. It will tackle light tracks, no problem at all. So despite its tiny little size, the U1 is still more than capable of riding on light tracks and trails. So we're just heading down to Poole Harbour now on quite a smooth gravel track, but the little U1 is making short work of it. The seat's really comfortable. The thing with this little bike is it's just so much fun. I think it's one of the nicest little mini bikes I've tried. But it's just winding its way through here really well. Got it in assist level 2. About 10 miles an hour at the moment. It's smooth. Can't even hear the motor. So very good on light tracks and trails on the U1. Right, let's see how the little U1 handles this hill. It's quite a steep hill, this. I got it in assist level 3 maximum. So little bike, big hill. Oh, this is good. Going up here, 12 miles an hour at the moment. So it's whizzing up here, look, absolutely no problem whatsoever. So the U1's more than capable of tackling steep hills, so that's really good. So it's just a great little machine. I've reviewed a lot of these little mini bikes, and this is, for the money, absolutely brilliant. And this is one of the nicest ones I've tried, and it's got that unique look to it that really does turn heads. Yep, let's just try this again from a standing start. Assist level 2. So there's the power there. Cut the turns of the pedals, cadence sensor. So no, this is a real dream to ride along. Lovely view out there of the harbour. These little wheels really do make it lively and fun. These grips feel nice on your hands, nice and tactile. So let's Let's have a final thoughts up here, shall we? So there you have it, guys, the absolutely brilliant little iSCOOTER U1 folding mini e-bike. So we're just going to run around it again. So nice LCD display there with your 3 power assist levels. You've got a walk mode, you've got lights, speed, and you've got your trip and odometer. Really nice grips. Got a little bell. Does come with a throttle in the box, fit it or not, up to you. Folding handlebar design to make it more convenient to put into your car. Little wheels and tyres, but they roll really well. Very quiet running and easy capable of light tracks and trails. Quite a unique design, really does turn the heads. Single speed, quiet rear hub motor there. These pedals do fold. Comfortable seat, suits a wide range of riders from about 5 foot to well over 6 foot tall. All UK legal, 250 watts out of the box, but can be unlocked as well. Cable operated disc brakes work absolutely fine. Full length mudguards. So yeah, really sweet little bike. Out of all the mini bikes, I'd say this is the best one. It rides the nicest, very smooth, plenty of power, zips along really well, and at the moment really well priced. So guys, please, if you wouldn't mind, post your comments down below. Don't forget to give me a like, share and subscribe as always, and I'll catch you again in a week or so for another two-wheeled review. All the best and bye for now.